Good morning from Small Stuff Farm. This is a picture for all the naysayers who said I can't grow collards in the spring. They're a winter or a fall or winter crop. Well, guess what? Here is my first harvest of my spring collards, and I do this every year, and I just want you to see these beauties. That's quite a little harvest for our first go-round. So it's possible. I do it every year. You can learn something by watching my channel. This morning I'm cooking some jowl bacon to go in with my collard greens that I'll be cooking for our dinner. So this is just some jowl bacon from one of our pigs. Really, really good. I like to cook most of the fat to a nice crispy brown before I put it in with get most of the loose fat out of it before I put it in with the greens. But it's gonna be delicious. Everyone has their own way of cutting greens. I like to roll mine together after I've taken out the stem. Take a clean pair of kitchen scissors and cut them in strips into the pot. To allow them to start cooking. So to cook greens properly, you have to have a few other things besides green and bacon fat. One is a pinch of salt, so that's what I'm doing here. You don't want bland greens. You want vinegar. You can use either white distilled or apple cider vinegar. I'm going to use apple cider vinegar today. For the amount of greens I have here, probably about a half a cup. I've already put in about a half a cup of pickle juice that was with pickled jalapenos and habaneros because we like spice. And of course, for me, I'm going to add some of my mix because we love the jalapeno, onion, cilantro mix. And so I'm going to add a little of that as well. Not too much, just a little shake to add a little heat and add a little flavor. Now I leave these cook on low heat for several hours so that the greens are nice and tender. You can see the bacon, the jowl bacon on top. Sorry about the steam, it is cooking. My extra ingredients are in there. The vinegar is in there. These are going to be amazing, just wonderful. And on one final note about the greens, nothing goes to waste. This is the stems that I pulled out of them. We don't eat the stems, they're too reedy and tough. I broke them up into small pieces, and these will be cooked down and fed to the chickens. Got some eggshells in there as well. We don't waste anything here at Small Stuff Farm. Everything gets cooked. While I'm filming, let's go ahead and take a look at these beautiful greens. They are cooking down beautifully, getting all the flavors going. And they'll cook for a good while today so that they're nice and tender. We don't like them mushy though.